We had a customer of ours that recommended Mia as part of this painting project, and it was a pleasure meeting her from the first initial consult through getting here today to get started. This is a project that we're going to be painting the ceilings, the walls, and the woodwork in the foyer, stairway, and second floor hall.
Just like a coat of paint changes a lot. Having the new color and all freshen up, it's a huge change. But when you do like the prep work, which is the most important part, and then after you paint it, it just brings more like warmth and love to the room, believe it or not.
Knowing that it's going to be a total transformation was so exciting. It really needed just a complete facelift. When they were prepping the area, I couldn't believe how much they were planning on doing.
Mia's really sweet, really bubbly and fun, energetic personality. So came in and met her and looked around at some of the other things that we were not painting. We picked a gray that has a little bit of green in it, but it's not that super cool gray. Just so it looks new and fresh, but doesn't look out of place.
For them to come in and see something completely different, it's going to be an awesome experience. I'm really excited to see what their reaction is going to be.
It looks so crisp and clean. I couldn't imagine that it would look that good. The trim work was so bright and the color was so bright. The hallway looked bigger and brighter, and my most memorable part was just feeling like a priority. I want to say thank you to James and the entire CertaPro team. I love you guys, you're great, and I hope to see you again for the next job.